Before anything even starts, the word don dey. The word dey with God, and the word na God himself.
From the beginning, the word don dey with God. Everything wey ever exist na through am dem take create am. Without am, nothing for this world fit exist.
Today tori na about the voice wey start life, the tori of creation. Welcome to Africa Bible Tori, where we dey break Bible tori from Genesis to Revelation into sweet pidgin tori. Make we begin.
In the beginning, God create heaven and earth. But the earth dey empty, and kpokripo darkness cover the face of the water.
But in the midst of all this kasala, one big God dey. The God wey sit down for heaven and use this earth as a footstool. The road wey im mind dey pass, no map fit draw am.
But the spirit of God dey move gently like breeze wey dey pass through palm tree. Dey check how he wan take arrange this mess. Na so God talk say make light show. Na once light burst out from nowhere, light surplus.
God check am and he see say this light na correct one. E good well well.
So he separate the light from darkness. Light he call am day, darkness he call am night. Na so day and night begin do shift. Evening come, morning come, na day one be that.
On day 2, God create sky. God say,
make space dey between the water. Sharp sharp, sky appear. The sky hold some water for up, leave some for down. God name the sky heaven. Na im be sky wey we dey see today.
On day 3, God creates land, sea, plants and trees. God say,
make the water wey dey for the sky gather for one place, make dry land show. As he talk am, land appear. Water gather become sea. God look am, e sweet am for belle. But God no stop there o. He say, make land produce grass, trees, fruit and plants wey go get seed to produce the same type. Na so everything begin grow like miracle garden. Trees stand up, grass full ground, fruits dey hang like decoration.
On day 4, God creates sun, moon and stars to dey control day, night, time and season. God say,
make light dey for sky to divide day and night. So God create 2 big lights, sun to dey control day and moon to dey control night, and stars join as backup lights.
On day 5, God create fish and all the animals wey dey inside water with birds for sky. God say,
make water full with living things, make birds fly for sky. And so fish begin swim, both big one and small one, and all the creatures wey dey inside water, and birds begin fly anyhow for sky. God bless them and say, make una plenty well well and born plenty children.
On day 6, God creates land animals and man.
God say, make the earth bring out all the animals, goats, cow, lion, everything. Then God pause small.
But something still dey miss. Na who go take care of all the things wey Baba God don create? For that reason, na im make Baba God take create you and me to be landlord over everything wey im don create. Then God say,
make we create human being like ourselves, just as we be, so that dem go be oga over everything wey we don create. So God pack sand and mold man and breathe life enter him nose. And so man come to life. God bless both man and woman. He say make una multiply, feed the earth and take care of am.
After all the work wey Baba God don do,
day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
On day 7, Baba God rest.
He sit down carry remote and press play. Begin watch everything wey him don create for dis world.
God bless the seventh day, come make am holy, because na that day e take rest from all the work wey no dey do since day one. You see, in the midst of darkness, when e be like say everything blur, Baba God no panic. Wetin him do? E speak. Na the word of him mouth e take arrange everything and create you and me to get dominion over everything wey him don create for this world. So the next time life wan try press you, tell am say you no be remote, na you dey control with the word of your mouth.